Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss fiscal policy, kind of what it is, and then go over some examples of how the government uses it, and then how it is different from monetary policy, which I will get into next week as to what exactly monetary policy is. But fiscal policy is policy that impacts government spending and taxation within an economy. There are two different types of fiscal policy. One is going to be expansionary fiscal policy and contractionary fiscal policy, and these two are going to be exact opposites. So for expansionary fiscal policy, this is when the government spends more money than it collects in taxes. So overall, this is going to be increasing economic activity. And when the government spends more money, it's going to be spending on various government programs, maybe bailouts, just any ways in the past that the government spends money. This is going to be what it means when the government will increase its spending. And when it does spend more money than it takes in taxes, this will be adding to the national debt. Now, if we want to compare this with contractionary fiscal policy, this is when the government cuts spending. Taxes are going to usually increase, and because the spending is cut and taxes either stay the same or sometimes increase, that's when the debt starts getting repaid. So the debt will go down during contractionary fiscal policy periods. But one caveat is going to be a decrease in economic activity through these contractionary periods. However, these are necessary because when debt just keeps building up and up and the national debt continuously rises, eventually that debt is going to need to be repaid. The value of the dollar is based on how much debt there is. So as the debt keeps increasing, other countries and people within our country, the US specifically, can see that the value of the dollar won't last forever. So if we do some contractionary periods, take a hit within economic activity, we can decrease this debt and raise the value of the dollar in the long run, but we could go through some recessionary periods, which we have in the past from contractionary fiscal policy. Like I said in the beginning, fiscal policy is often used with monetary policy by governments, and the government uses fiscal and monetary policy to modify economic metrics to what it wants in a given time period. And next week, I'll definitely get into monetary policy, the ramifications, kind of some definitions, and then the different ways the government can use monetary policy. But for this video, I just really wanted to focus on fiscal policy and the two different types of expansionary and contractionary fiscal policy. So thank you for watching.